In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit, and use master slides in Google Slides. With just a few simple steps, you can not only enhance the consistency and professionalism of your presentations, but also save valuable time in the design process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you aren't already signed in, point your mouse to the sign in button at the top right corner. Use your Google account credentials to log in. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here on the homepage, you'll see options to start a new presentation. You can either select blank presentation for a fresh start, or choose from a variety of templates if you have a specific design in mind. For this tutorial, we're going to start with a blank presentation to keep things straightforward. With your new presentation open, focus your attention on the top menu bar. Click on Slide. In the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to click on Edit Theme. This is your gateway to the realm of master slides, where you can design elements that will appear across all slides in your presentation. This is particularly useful if you want uniform backgrounds, fonts, or objects like a logo to remain consistent. When you're in the master slide view, you'll notice the main slide at the top and several smaller slides below it. The top slide is your primary master slide, which dictates the general style for the entire presentation. Adjusting this slide allows you to set default font styles, sizes, background colors, and more. Any changes you make here filter down to all slides in your presentation. Consider these the global settings of your presentation. Below the primary slide, you'll find layout slides. These allow specific modifications for different slide types, such as title slides or content slides. This is where you can get creative and make each slide type unique, while staying within the visual guidelines you set using the primary master slide. Once you've customized your master slide and layouts to your liking, you can simply close the master slide view. Click the X at the top right corner of the master slide editor. Now back in your regular editing view, you'll find that any new slides you add will automatically adhere to the design elements you just configured. And there you have it, a complete guide to mastering slides in Google Slides. Remember, the key to a polished presentation lies in its consistency, and mastering this tool will undoubtedly elevate the quality of your presentations. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.